Looking for a sedan that's stylish, engaging to drive, and won't break the bank? Check out the Mazda 6. Instead of emulating characteristics of most conventional humdrum mid-size sedans, the Mazda 6 is a delight to drive. The car feels athletic, and the steering provides decent feedback, making it fun to pilot the 6 through our road course. One of the major improvements Mazda made to the 6 was the ride, which is now supple and controlled. The new Mazda 6 is also much quieter than the last one. The standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is smooth and responsive, and the 6-speed automatic transmission delivers timely shifts, making the car feel quicker than it is. The optional turbo engine makes the 6 quicker and quieter, delivering power effortlessly and emitting a more satisfying sound. If your budget allows it, the turbo is a very desirable package. Inside, the Mazda 6's cabin looks and feels cleanly sculpted, understated, and tasteful. Our tested touring model had an impressive level of fit and finish, with materials that included stitched detailing to the padded surfaces on top of the dashboard, door panels, and center console. The front seat is well shaped and fits most people, but lacks some adjustment. The front edge of the seat can't be adjusted independently to increase thigh support, and the two-way manual lumbar adjustment is awkward to reach. The rear seat has just enough room for taller passengers, but it's tight on headroom. The seats are well shaped and comfortable. The 6's profile is low slung compared to many mainstream sedans, requiring some ducking to get in. As we've noted with other Mazdas, the controls take some time to master. The audio controls are largely handled through the rotary knob on the center console, which interacts with the screen menu. There's a two-step action required to access favorite radio stations. This all would have been easier with a dedicated tuning knob, but the 6 doesn't have one. At least Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are supported. The 6 comes with a spacious trunk, which can be expanded by flipping down the rear seat backs. Every Mazda 6 comes standard with forward collision warning, low-speed automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. When it comes to buying, we think the touring model is a lot of car for the money. Ours was $26,500 and included a power driver's seat, sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, and heated front seats. Any way you slice it, the Mazda 6 is clearly the driver's choice among a sea of cookie-cutter sedans. Yes, we like driving this car. A lot. For more on sedans, check out consumerreports.org.